I'm Dave.
I'm Courtney.
We live in a suburb just north of Kansas City.
Welcome to our home. Come on in and we will introduce you to Chip and Franklin. Chip and Franklin are our smiling Dutchmen. Come on to the kitchen. This is one of their favorite spots. They love it almost as much as we do. You never know what kind of good snacks we might get. Go. Sit. Good boys. They are fluffy and sweet as can be and will make the best big brothers.
Courtney and I love to cook. She's a fantastic baker, and my personal favorite are raspberry chocolate chip muffins, and we grow our own fruit in the backyard.
I can't wait to teach our future child how to make these muffins. We can pull up a stool, crack the eggs, flour on the countertops. Dave's a marvelous chef himself. He makes the very best soups, and his barbecue ribs, delicious right off the smoker. Making meals together and then finding time to connect and share dinner and stories and laugh with family and friends is really important to us.
We love to gather for holidays, barbecues, any kind of special occasion. But we're hoping that we have one more spot at the table for a special someone and a special chair.
We also enjoy being outside, and so gathering on the deck and in the backyard is another place we can't wait to share with a little one. We live on a cul-de-sac with 5 other homes where people are always outside and enjoying the beautiful weather. Our deck is like being on a giant tree house. It overlooks a lake in the back, our garden beds, and in that backyard there is so much room for memories and play to be made. What are your grand plans for our big backyard?
Well, as you can see behind me, we've got plenty of space for a child to use their own imagination, come up with fun games, explore nature, maybe go fish, all kinds of things.
I can imagine a big slip and slide, a big swing set. I would love to put up an outdoor easel to get creative and paint, use sidewalk chalk, ride bikes. I'd love to install a mud kitchen, which is just a fun place for kids to experiment with materials they find outdoors, make some mud, get a little dirty, have a good time, enjoy being a kid. Downstairs, we have a great family room for watching movies, and in here is a huge playroom that we use. We call it our hobby room. We've also got our exercise equipment. Let's check in. And Dave, what are you up to today?
Well, I like to build model kits based off of my Army experience. For example, this is a picture of a tank that I crewed when I was the Army platoon leader in South Korea. So I take these memories and I enjoy trying to build kits out of those.
Is that a hobby you might be interested in sharing?
I would. I've got about 20 or more years experience doing this hobby, and I think it's fun and it gets your imagination going.
My hobbies are gardening and making art. I love to sew, I love to paint, which I've learned a lot from my grandma and from my mom. My classroom is my home away from home, and I just love having a creative environment for kids.
We enjoy adventures and time with family. It'll be cool to help a child explore and cheer them on as they find out what hobbies, music, sports, interests, and activities they like.
We love to read and have a whole little library in our living room, including a shelf full of books for bedtime stories. This hallway is a bathroom as well as an office, a guest bedroom, and this is going to be our nursery. This sign on the door says the room of requirement. It's a Harry Potter reference for those in the know. It is a place where everything you could possibly need can be found. We've got our nursery set up with our chair. We've got a crib ready to be put together, a dresser, a beautiful view out at our neighbors in cul-de-sac, and sometimes you catch a hummingbird there. Our closet here is full of baby goods that we've collected over the years. Things for a boy, things for a girl. There's just so much love put into this room, and we cannot wait to bring a child home to raise here, to grow here, and more than anything, to love. Thank you so much for getting to know a little bit more about us.
We appreciate y'all taking the time to learn about us, and I'll have the opportunity to be a stay-at-home dad, and I think that'll be a really fun time. And I think Courtney is going to be an excellent mom as well. It's something she's always wanted.
I've been a kindergarten teacher for over 20 years and come really close to getting to be a mom, but it just isn't quite the same thing. I know my partner is solid. He's our rock. He is so wonderful. I can't even put into words what he means to me. But I know the kind of dad he is, and I can't wait to get to explore a whole new chapter of our family's story together. And that includes you. So thank you again, and we hope to hear from you soon.